So guys, as you know, I made a tutorial on how to make a fire hand effect in Premiere Pro. It was like 5 months ago, but it really is bad. Why? Because I don't know much about editing on that time. So we are going to make an updated tutorial in this video. Watch the intro. So here we are in Premiere Pro. We're going to grab the video that we have to the video that we have to make the fire on it. So here is the footage of my baby sister. There we go. There she ignites the fire. You should add the fire effects in there perfectly. Now, trim it. Go in here, put it in her hands, and then go to opacity, linear dodge. Whatever, because you may add some screen or whatever it is, or linear dodge. Now, when it's done, when you're done removing the black background with the blending mode, you want to animate it, right? So to animate it, you gotta go to these variables called motion, and then go to position. Toggle the position variable. Now, when you want to animate it, just click on here and then scroll down. If you have Premiere Pro 2015 or higher, and scroll up if you have Premiere Pro 2014 or lower. Whatever. Just scroll and keyframe. That's the easiest way to do it in every version of Premiere Pro. Scroll and keyframe until you're done keyframing. There. Okay, just keyframe it and you will get it done.
One eternity later.
It's just gonna look like this. There we go. It's almost done. Almost done.
2,000 years later.
There. And make a little fade out in this part. Make a little fade out. There, that's what it looks like when it's done. It's worth the effort. That'll dissolve so it can look more realistic. That will look like that. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please